How to make only your friends can see your post on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make only your friends can see your post on TikTok now. First open TikTok now and then click on your post here, and here we'll find these 3 points. Click privacy settings, and here we'll find it on your friends. Click on it, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and go back, that's it. And that's it. Now I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.